Content marketing strategies for SEO. I'm going to show you how content marketing for SEO works in this video. I'll show you step by step how you can implement this in order to succeed with it and get a lot of traffic to your landing page. Know your audience. Understanding your website visitor will help you decide if they are the right target audience. Here is how you can do it with the help of Google Analytics. So we go to Google Analytics and we go into the acquisitions, and under the user attributes we go to demographic details, and we go to audience insights, and we access the audience section within Google Analytics to gather valuable information about your website. You can see you can choose the demographics by age, by gender, by city, by country, region. So, and you can have the match type exactly and choose the dimension, whichever dimension, for example 18 to 24, 25 to 24. You can compare this audience as well, and you can explore the demographic data such as age, gender, location and interest to gain a deeper understanding of your audience. Content optimization. Now we have audience insight. Let's use it to tailor our content with our target audience. Geographic target. Determine geographic areas where your audience is located and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Of course, you can do audience alignment with this. Ensure that your keyword and content align with the identified audience to maximize engagement and conversion rate. Next step, once we have the audience shortlisted, create high quality content. Ensure your content provides real value by answering questions, solving problems, or offering insights. Craft content that is engaging, interactive, and prompts reader to take action or participate in a discussion. This helps to get more traffic and kickstart your landing page. Focus on creating unique content that stand out from what's already available online. And remember, always create high quality content as it results in increase in brand awareness, increase in traffic and social media shares. And of course, improves your website rankings and improves website dwell time. Also, it is very important to back up your content with data, statistics and references from credible sources. Let me show you a live demo how we can do it with the help of Google and other SEO tools. Starting with a simple search for your company's head terms. So let's say in this example, I have taken a head term as email marketing. As you can see in Hrefs, it shows the 91. It is super hard. I go into the related term, and what I'm going to choose and I'm going to choose a filter lowest DR up to 30. I'm going to press on show results, and then I'm going to see all the keywords which are coming, which are relevant to my service and on which you can create the content. Also, don't forget to put the keyword difficulty. Here in this case, I'm putting it 20, and I'm going to just press enter, and I'm going to scroll through all the keywords which are relevant. For example, marketing letter examples, and I scroll brilliant marketing ideas. So these are the keywords which I choose. I also can pick keywords while going into the match terms. Again, I will use the same filter, lowest DR of 30 for the top 5 results, and then the keyword density up to 20. So once the keywords are here, then I'm going to choose the keywords, and it is important to choose the keywords on which you can write a blog content. So in email marketing, what is relationship email, and this next one, how can email marketing fuel your overall growth? Which of the following will you need to start an email marketing program? So here I have chosen some of these keywords on which I can build a content. Next, I will go to Google Trends and also type email marketing and choose what kind of terms are trending. So I can see their conversation topics, their email service providers, and the topics around. So I will pick topics from here which are relevant. And I can produce valuable data around them. The next is basically what we are going to do. We are going to use Google autocomplete to extract more data out of it. We have already explored variation and synonyms to capture a broader audience. We have taken note of the top results and any pattern observed in the search listing. Now we're going to extract keywords from Google autocomplete. One of my go-to tool is Keyword Shitter. So if you see in front, I'm just writing email marketing, and I'm going to choose country as the US. And I'm going to just click on Shed Keywords. Now it's going to extract all the keywords from Google Auto Suggest, and going to give me all the keywords which are coming here as a drop down. So I'm going to extract all these keywords from here. As you can see, the list goes on and on. So what our job is to ensure that we get the relevant keywords out of it, and then we're going to go into the next section, which is answer the public. The same keyword, email marketing, I'm going to type in answer the public. I'm going to press search, and there is going to be keywords which are coming, and I'm going to look into the questions, and I'm going to look into the key indicators. So these questions, I'm going to export these as well. So now if you see, I'm getting a big bucket of keywords for me, which makes sense for me and which seems to be some which I can create a content around. I will export these from Answer the Public as well. Now we identify content formats such as list, guides or tutorial that resonates with users in our niche. Now the final step is checking Google suggestions to choose the right keywords. Optimize your content to address common pain points and provide actionable solutions. Remember, head terms are more difficult to rank for, so you will want to aim for longer keyword, also called long tail keywords like email marketing software for agencies in your actual SEO strategies. You can begin getting ideas on long tail terms by clicking on the filter below your head terms. And let's now explore the search result. Now we click through to view the search results page for the main keyword, and we're gonna analyze the type of content that are ranking well, such as blog post, product page or videos. Take note of any additional features displayed on the SERP such as ads, feature snippets or knowledge panels. The people also ask box is a gold mine for finding related questions that the same user probably has, giving us an opportunity to answer those questions. Now I've just typed a keyword in the Google search bar. As you can see, I can optimize it for featured snippets and also for people also ask. And don't overlook this classic strategy. Take a moment to explore the suggested search at the bottom of the search engine result page. So as you can see, the related search is at the bottom of the search result page. We can pick these as well. These suggestions offer more than just alternative terms to target. They also provide additional long tail keywords and insight into your top competitor. Now, once we have keyword, let's go and step on how we can conduct a competitor analysis. List out your main competitors and analyze their content strategy. Review their most popular content piece to identify topic, formats, and engagement strategies they use. Look for content gaps or areas where your competitors are lacking, providing you with an opportunity to excel. And more importantly, leverage SEO tools like Ahrefs to gain insight into competitor keywords, performance, and backlink profile. Here is one example on how to do it via Ahrefs. So, in this case, in Site Explorer, I have typed our competitor Thrive agency. You can see the traffic and the number of keywords. Once I'm in the organic, I go to the URL section and I filter all the URLs which contains blog. So as you can see, these are all the keywords, and I will see what are all the keywords, what kind of a keyword difficulty this page is ranking for. So for example, this page, as you see, seems to be a page which I can do a better content. I'm going to keep a tab of this. I'm going to keep this separate, and then I'm going to go into some other keywords. I'm not going to target something like web marketing blog, and I'm looking for something which is relevant as well. And so I go to another page. I see this is another page which I can create a content on. This was created on March 3rd, 2022. So good option. It's 2-year-old page, and it's easier for me to beat it with a fresh content after all the Google updates. Now I have this. It's also important that creating content is not the only way, because with A/B split testing, you can improve your conversion rates. And with improved conversion rates, you get higher dwell time, which helps in rankings. Use A/B testing tools like Google Optimize to conduct your experiments systematically. 4 elements to test in your content marketing strategies are: experiment with different headlines, content format, images, and CTAs to see what best resonates with your audience. Now collect data from your test to understand user preference and behaviors. Continuously refine and repeat tests. Try different variations to better understand your audience and improve content. Measure your content performance. Define and track performance indicators, KPIs like traffic engagement rates, conversion rates, and social shares. Use tools like Google Analytics to gather data on content performance. Use performance data to perform further content creation and optimization strategies. Assess the returns on investment for your content to ensure it aligns with your business goals. And now you know how to do content marketing for your SEO. But in order to really rank number 1, you need a good SEO strategy. And for that reason, I made this video that you can see on your screen right now, where I share my exact SEO strategy for 2024 with you. You can literally just copy and paste it that way, and you are going to be successful with SEO in 2024. So see you in the next video. Cheers.